YouTube, how's it going? Rob, Chicken Ranch Homestead. New winter storm. See it coming down. Let's get through some things and get back inside. All right, go try to start out today a little bit better than the last video. Now I'm feeding the chickens. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we have two separate flocks essentially. Well, two separate areas, one flock. Just one Jenny. But back of the barn, they're going to be moving out. But checking to see if we got any lambs on the ground. No lambs on the ground. Jenny's looking for food. Aren't you, girl? She's a good donkey. She just has never come around to us. Whoever had her before really did a number on her. She's sweet, but just can't handle her. But yeah, there's Bandit. There's some over there. See Snowman laying down. Eleanor's pregnant. She's the one, the black one at the very top. Sally's the goofy one looking at us. She's pregnant. I'm thinking this one right here, Frog, is pregnant. 57 isn't. I can't tell that all black right there. That's Fancy. I can't tell. Then the one in the back is Alice, which is Eleanor's daughter. I think she is too. Is that right, Buford? There's mom and son. What's up? All right, done back here for now. Okay, so all the storm prediction places have been somewhat off, but now they're coming true. We are one of those areas where it's 0 to 12 inches, maybe 15. One place has 4 to 6, another place has 12. Youngstown weather guy says, hey, we're getting 12, maybe even 15 localized. And I'm like, it rained all night. And now it's just starting to snow. It's supposed to snow through the night. We'll see what happens. Time to feed the chickens. What's up, chickens? You guys got a mess in here. Giving them a little more this morning in case I can't get back out easily. What's up, ducks? Why is there a broken T-post in here? Or step-in post? Mom didn't hatch eggs. Child of those two. The older one, they really, I don't know. I might have to ditch this one because she gets picked on, as you can see. What, Mama? You guys ate all your hay. You want some hay? Tell me about it. What's up, Boo? Where's Valentino? Oh, I see him. He's in there. All right, gotta get them. When you leave the pig food on the ground, this is what happens. All right, gotta get them off of it. But quick note, this is what we're feeding the pigs. I said corn, oats. Those are beet pellets in there. They're just sugar, 9%. might notice I got a scoop of snow and gave it to the pigs. They love eating the snow. The problem is, after the rain and all that thaw, a lot of it turned to ice. It was hard to find snow. Hey folks, I'm back. Batteries died. It's cold out. Afternoon chores, late night chores. You can't really tell. But right now it's raining and sleeting. It's pretty slick out there. I went out there to the feed mill, get some dog food for the livestock guardian that's really not a livestock guardian right now, and to check on the roads for Melody because she has to go to work at night, and it's pretty slick out there. By us, they shut down Interstate 79 from all the accidents. Just too many people in the ditch, so I'm in the garage here. I don't think it's gonna come through, but there's ice on those windows. So go feed up, everyone. See what I record. All right, let's get things done. Hey folks, now I'm back. I want to talk about goat feed because we talked about pig feed. What am I doing with the kids in there? And you don't want to give them too much grain because it will be harsh on their ruminant, and then we'll have a case of the runs and all types of stuff. What I've been doing is I'm still feeding grain every night to the goats by adding alfalfa pellets. And the reason why I'm doing that is because A, it's great for milk production. It's a high protein. It keeping their protein level high right now, to me, is kind of a good thing. It helps with growth. And we pretty much run the goats as a commercial business, not as a, homesteading goat business. They're pretty much going to move more into the world of commercial for us. So I'll show you a picture of it really quick and we'll go on from there. All right, so what you can see here is the bucket. It's a Fortiflex bucket, 8 quart. It's full. This is what we feed our herd every night, is this full bucket. And here you can see the alfalfa pellets. There's some other pellets in here that you'll see. That's a beet pellet. There's also goat pellets in there. There's a beet pellet. A little bit of corn, a little bit of oats. They put molasses on it, and that's what all the vitamins stick to. But this is a nice mix right here. I'll one day maybe make a video how I mix this, but this has been working really good with our young kids, and we're not having soft stools. Okay, enough of that. I'm going to get outside. You can probably hear it in the volume. I'm probably not going to record much, but I'm going to brave the sleet. All right. Come on. All right, that's going to do it for me today. It's windy, it's nasty, I'm getting pelted by sleet. I got wood cut out for tonight from the old ash tree out in the goat pen. So stay safe, folks, during this storm. Like, share, subscribe, comment, helps the algorithm, helps us reach 100. And I will see you again here at the Chicken Ranch Homestead. Peace.